Hello everyone! In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing an SSL certificate on Heroku. First, generate a CSR, or Certificate Signing Request, and private key using the SSL Dragon CSR Generator tool. Save the private key code securely and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to issue the CRT, or certificate. Use your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, in the common name field and the associated email address, such as info@yourdomain.com, in the email address field, as demonstrated in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files respectively, and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will then issue the CRT for your domain. Now, from the Windows Command Line interface, or CLI, access Heroku using the command Heroku login and provide your login credentials in the browser window that appears. Note, before proceeding, ensure that you have the following prerequisites on your Windows Server/desktop. Heroku CLI must be installed. You must have an account on the Heroku platform with applications running on it. Now, add the certificate to your application. You can now check and validate the mapped certificate information. By following these steps, we have successfully installed an SSL certificate on an application hosted on the Heroku platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Enjoy a 10% discount on any SSL certificate order at SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 during the checkout process.